Hey there, everyone. I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. First off, hope you guys, everybody, had a good and safe, happy Halloween last night, and is enjoying the first day of November and adjusting to the new time change of the clocks being turned back. So I was kind of trying to come up with something to discuss today with you guys about, as far as, hey, what's up, Samuel? Talking about dent warranties and if they're worth purchasing, and what are some of the kind of stipulations with dent warranty plans. So I've got actually a printout here from a dent warranty company that actually contacted us about having us do work for them, and they had to basically send over some information as far as what's covered under the dent warranty company, and this is specifically to them. I can't for the life of me now remember the exact name of that company. I think it was like Dent Zone or something like that. Anyways, one of the companies based out in California. You'll see these typically sold through like dealerships, and I know the dealerships in Sioux Falls here in town, the big ones anyways, they have actually basically an in-house, one of them has an in-house warranty that they do that you can purchase through them, and then they do all their internal stuff all in-house. Whereas another bigger dealership in town, they actually have a third party that they actually that submits the claim and does all the paperwork and stuff like that. Without getting real into it, basically that's just kind of two different versions. Either the dealership or car company will actually do all the work and paperwork themselves, or they outsource it to a third party company. So now a lot of these dent warranties specifically, they are a lot of times they get lumped in with a car loan, so it looks really inexpensive. Like, oh, we're gonna add $3 to your payment over the lifetime, and that's gonna cover the warranty plan. Well, I've heard of some of them costing upwards of $1,000, and sometimes maybe even more than that. I've heard all the way up to 2,000, but anyways, so the thing I want to talk about is, this is one thing that people need to read the contract on them. We actually did have a car come in that had a dent warranty through a big dealership in town, and it was a third party through a company out in California. They ended up actually not covering to pay to fix all the damage that the car had. So a lot of times people are sold this stuff with the notion of it's fixing everything that they can possibly do, and there's no stipulations. So that's the mindset of the customer, anyways. That's what that is in their head. Well, when they actually bring in their paperwork and stuff like that, that's what I'm going to be talking about here. It actually has quite a bit of different things as far as things that make it denied, basically, so a denied claim. So right here, like on this warranty company specifically here, anything over 3 inches in damage, which is not a very big dent, is going to need to be pre-approved by the dent warranty company. So it's something to where if you come over and you've got a dent warranty and you have us take a look at it and the damage is over 3 inches, we need to call the third party company that's paying for it essentially and get authorization from them to repair. If it's over 4 inches, it's completely denied. So the last vehicle we had in, it was like something like, geez, what was it, like 18 inches of damage, and there were multiple creases and they were super sharp and everything like that. So that claim was paid out partially, but strictly just to appease the customer. So that was the dent warranty company basically denied paying for the entire repair. Another couple things on here as far as what basically denies it is if there's any type of paint damage, paint scratching, chips, anything like that. It's completely, it doesn't matter the size. I mean, it could literally be a dime size dent or a quarter size dent with just a small scuff in it, denied. Okay, so right there, that's a very common thing. Even if it's just a minor scuff or scratch that we can buff out, still wouldn't be covered under the dent warranty. Another couple different things here: sharp creases or exceptionally deep damage. That would be that's our idea of stuff that's sharp and deep and stuff like that, and the customers and a dent warranty company that's going to pay for it. You've got all different ideas and opinions as far as the damage there. So that's a real gray area. You could open up to a lot of debate on that one. Another one is if the damage is on a body line. So we fix dents in body lines all the time. Happens all the time. But if your damage is in a body line on a car, it's denied from the dent warranty. So right there, you've already lost another potential use for a dent warranty. Excessive R&I. So R&I is remove and install. So basically, if we have to take anything excessively apart, one of the biggest things on vehicles would be, that I could think of off the top of my head, would be either a headliner, which a lot of times the dent warranties don't cover any top panels. So hoods, roofs, or trunk lids, or deck lids, or lift gates are not typically covered. It's only side panel damage. So like one thing that would be that needs excessive R&I or taking apart would be a headliner or like a front fender where you have to take the headlight out. A lot of times bumpers need to come off of a lot of the cars anymore. So that would be considered excessive, and that's denied as well. Another thing is, just that's just some of the big things. I've also ran into dent warranty companies that don't pay if we have to glue pull. So if we can't get access to the backside of the damage, they're not going to pay to glue pull, and they just deny the dent altogether. So anyways, if you've got any questions about anything dent warranty wise, we'd be more than happy to talk with you about it, go over your plan. If you're looking at buying a car and maybe potentially buying a dent warranty, obviously you can certainly give us a call here at 605-250-1023. We'd be happy to chat with you, or you can visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. So anyways, guys, if you learned anything, feel free, hit the like button or whatnot. And if you wouldn't mind, if you got any questions about any of this, leave it down in the comment section below, or direct message us as well. So anyways, have a good evening, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.